Hey everyone, this is Anush and today I am here to explain you about the trigonometry. So basically trigonometry is a diverse branch of mathematics which deals with the triangle, relationship between angles of any triangle and its sides. Trigonometry works on all type of triangles. For matter, we will consider only right triangles. So in the first thing, we will consider a very small topic of trigonometry, and which is a very basic topic also, that is angle measurement. In this, we have three type of measurement system which people use to measure angle. So these are the angle measurement system, that is hexadecimal system, centesimal system, and circular system. So one by one, we have to understand about these systems. So first we have hexadecimal system. Hexadecimal system. We have hexadecimal system. The people who discovered the system divided a right angle, considered a right angle, and divided it into 90 equal parts. Let's say these are 90 equal parts. Let us suppose these are 90 equal parts, and they divide a right angle into 90 equal parts. It has one right angle. Angle equals 90 degrees. They say each part has 1 degree, and if we consider 1 degree, and if we divide it further on 60 equal parts, then each part we will get as a minute. It has 1 degree equals 60 minutes. And if we take a minute, let us suppose this is a minute, and if we divide this minute into 60 equal parts, then each part we will get as 1 second. So we can say that 1 minute 1 minute equals 60 seconds. So we can say that one right angle equals 90 degrees according to hexadecimal system. One degree equals 60 minutes, and 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. Now further we will consider about centesimal system of angular measure. In centesimal, we have to consider here centesimal system of angular measurement. In this system, the people divided a right angle into 100 equal parts. They divided a right angle into 100 equal parts like this. You can suppose these are 100 equal parts, and each part they call as a grade. Like they divided the right angle in 100 equal parts, and each part they call as a grade. It is one right angle equals 100 grades, and they took a grade like this, and they further divided it into 100 equal parts, and they concluded that a grade equals 100 minutes. Like hexadecimal system, they said that 1 grade equals 100 minutes, and further they take 1 minute and divided it into 100 equal parts, and came to the conclusion that 1 minute equals 100 seconds. That was all about centesimal system and hexadecimal system. In our day-to-day life, we generally consider about hexadecimal system, that is degree measurement. In trigonometry, the circular system has a wide application, because circular system is also very important, because calculus works on numbers, not on degrees. So we have to consider here circular system of angular measurement. So we consider a circle with a radius r, and they elevated a ray, let's say AB, a circle with radius r, and joining the circumference at a point, let's say B. The center of that circle is O. If this line is elevated at any angle, let's suppose the angle elevated by this line is theta. So this angle can be defined as the ratio of this arc length to the radius. Let us suppose this arc length is x, then this theta would be equal to x over r. And this is the definition of radian measurement system. And we can find 1 radian equals arc length, which is equal to the radius. Radian equals arc length, which is equal to the radius over radius, that is 1. And this is the definition for 1 radian. The radian is very commonly used, and this is a constant angle because the arc length to the radius ratio for any circle is same to the arc length, because all the circles are similar. So the arc length